What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at it with another video, man. Y'all read the title. You already know what we about to talk about today. And it is the review and on feet over the Air Jordan 6 PSGs, man. The Paris Saint-Germain or whatever. So we have the package over here. We just got it on the front door. And yeah, now we're about to unbox these things, do this review and on feet. Very, very quick. You already know I'm gonna with that dope on feet. Probably throw like 2-3 different jean selections. Of course, it's summertime. But this shoe right here, I feel like it's more of the fall, winter time, just because, I don't know, I feel like 6s and up are like pretty much bulky, especially 11s as well, like all good for like fall and winter shoes. So before we get into this review and on feet, what I need you to do right now is subscribe to the channel, man. Notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. And follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage, man. Link will be in the description box below. So let's get into it. All right, here we have it right here, man. Y'all see the Steal Me boxes, a lot of people call it. I think Tops just called that the other day. So I just jocked your style, bro. The Steal Me box. So we got the box cutter. I did order a new knife to unpackage stuff, so y'all will see that maybe in the next 2-3 days. I got off Amazon, so y'all stay tuned for that because the box cutter gots to go. So let's get into it. Cut that tape open real quick. Like I said, quick reviewing on feet. I just want to know you guys' opinion on these. A lot of people didn't like these. They still sitting on the Nike SNKRS app, which is kind of shocking because when they first was like released to the public to like show y'all the official picture and stuff, I feel like a lot of people was digging them. But now a little bit, you know what I'm saying, standoffish with them. Maybe they want to wait till they go on sale. But I don't think these shoes releasing a lot of like Foot Lockers, and I think they only releasing like a couple of Foot Actions and stuff. So I don't know, people ain't feeling these joints. But here we have it, the receipt straight from Nike SNKRS app. I did get that discount, that military discount on these. And here we have it, Air Jordan 6 box. You already know how the box come, but we about to get into them things. Check it out. You already know how the Air Jordan 6 box look. The 5s and the 6 box pretty much are the same. And we got the cement all around. I'm trying to find the size label. Okay, here we have it. Now they got these little skinny size labels. I've never seen these on all the old boxes. Now some of the newer shoes we get now, we get this little skinny size label right here. Air Jordan 6 Retro PSGs. Size 9 at retail for $225. Were they worth the $225? I spent like $250 with taxes and shipping. It kind of get a little pricey, you know what I'm saying, especially when getting the shoes offline. Like, I'd rather get the shoes in person because you gotta worry about the shipping fees and stuff like that. You can just get the shoe retail. We won't get into it. You already know, regular box. Got a stamp over here. Check it out. And then here we have them, man. Boom. Let's pull these things out. Let's pull them out. You know what I'm saying? These were the shoes I really did not want to hit on, honestly, because I woke up at like 9:03 and I was like, hold on, maybe I can scoop me a pair up. And I went ahead and did it. So I was in line, so I was like, okay, maybe I took an L, just like this morning. I took an L on the UNC1 lows. But I hit on them and I was like, okay, let me get the review out for you guys. Let me get that on feet for you guys because I want to give y'all more reviews on feet on upcoming sneakers and more unboxing and stuff like that. So I had to get this shoe straight for you guys. Here we have it, Air Jordan 6 PSGs. Like I said, not a shoe that I was really crazy about getting, but like I said, I wanted to get that review out for you guys, man. Y'all came here to look at the shoes, and you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to deliver for you guys. So right now, hit that like button for your boy if you have not liked it already. Let me pull the other shoe out real quick, man. You already know you got it wrapped around that little black tissue paper or whatever. Shoe right there, so you have to check that one out, man. But here you have it, Air Jordan 6 PSGs. Not a lot to talk about it because it's predominantly a black gray upper. You got a little like infrared hits. So we're gonna break down the shoe real quick, talk about a little of the details. First thing that I noticed off rip was the back of the shoe. You had that Paris and Saint-Germain logo on the back of these 6s, man, which it's dope. I like that. Like the different details and stuff they throw on some of these kind of special shoes. And this is very dope for Jordan, man, to throw that on the back of the Air Jordan 6. You know, we don't really get a lot of stuff on the back. Maybe we get Nike Air here and there, but predominantly we get that Jumpman on the back. But right here, you got that Paris Saint-Germain logo right there. On the back, you have that translucent spoiler on the back, man, with that black strip around it. Very clean, very nice. On the side of that spoiler, you have, I think it's Panama or Paname, whatever it is right here. Y'all can see it right there. Check it out on the side of the sneaker. This right here is a suede / nubuck because it's not that furry, so kind of in between the suede / nubuck material wise. It's nice. It's nice quality, man. Not a lot of factory flaws I can see on the back. Smoked out translucent outsole. You have a infrared Jumpman down here, as you can see, and the regular outsole kind of, you know what I'm saying, blends in with that smoked out translucent parts of the outsole, so you can't really tell what's going on. So if you can wear this sneaker and you're not gonna get that dirty look like you get on your regular 6s that they throw the regular icy blue translucent outsoles on. So these right here are very good for you to wear, durable on the outsole. On the upper, you already know you got those perforated holes right here and here. Toe box is very, very nice. Like I said, the nubuck on here is very, very crazy. Nice material, and the materials are sometimes the things I be thinking that's gonna sell the shoe, but this one right here, like I said, it's still sitting, and the quality on here is pretty much immaculate, man. On the medial side of the shoe, you got the same materials, of course, the black and that gray mixed together, and on the inner of the shoe, you have that same grayish blackish midsole that kind of matches the parts of the upper on this 6. You didn't get any extra laces with this Air Jordan 6, so right now you get the regular black ones right here, and on the lace lock you have the number 75. Check it out. And on the back you have Paris with the Jumpman as the A, man. Because I'm gonna give y'all B-roll so you can check out more up close looks at the sneaker. You got a regular cardboard shoe tree right here, and on the back of the tongue you have like a little red hits. You have infrared and black on the back of your tongue. On the front of the tongue you have Jordan, of course, and the Air in between. And on the insole you have this is a nicer insole. This is probably one of the best insoles I got from Jordan Brand in a while, and I'm not sure what this says, but you got this on the insole. Check it out right there. It looks very comfortable, so I can't wait to slide these on feet, see how they feel. One thing I wanted to point out with this sneaker, behind the perforations on the side and on the inner of the shoe, you got the infrared busting through those perforations, man. You can't see it now, but on the B-roll, you're gonna definitely be able to see that infrared peeking out through these perforations in the shoe. On the tongue as well, that little pad you get on top of the laces, you have an infrared Jumpman right here, as you can see. Very nice, very clean. And of course you have the Air unit at the bottom, which they do show in all of your Air Jordan 6s. And it's not infrared, it's just a regular clear translucent Air unit right there, as you can see. Checking out the other shoe real quick, got the same as the left shoe, no different on the heel tab. I would have thought they would have threw something different right here on the heel, but they kept the same Paris Saint-Germain and the same lace lock as well, 75 and Paris on the lace lock. But like I said, nice sneaker, not a lot of imperfections, not a lot of the quality control issues. Nice shoe. I feel like if they made this shoe limited or they promote this shoe a little more, I think these definitely would have sold out. But right now, if you do want a pair, you can get them on Sneakers app. And I do think that they sold out pretty much on like the foot action and stuff like that, because this shoe was going for a little bit of money before the release, and now that we finally got them, now it's doing the same as like the PSG 5s, the PSG 1s. They, you know what I'm saying? Nobody really wants them anymore. But later on down the line, I can definitely see the shoe rising up in the resale value just because we don't get a lot of those PSG and Jordan collaborations. So this right here is definitely a nice kick. So if you did cop them, hey, it's dope pickup. But if you're one of the guys that didn't get them now, if you want to get them later, they're still going to be available for you, of course, StockX, Gold, and all that type stuff. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this review over the Air Jordan 6 PSGs. I hit you guys with a lot of B-roll, talked about a lot of the features on this sneaker. If you have not liked the video already, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you went after this sneaker. Let me know if you took an L on like one of the foot action apps or Foot Locker apps, wherever they did release in your local area. And let me know if you're going to be going after these later on down the line when they hit sales racks, or just later. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and like the video. So with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this on feet over the Air Jordan 6 PSGs, man. Let's get it.
DaRetroWizKid.